To create a new vendor, navigate the Admin module, select Vendors. Click on the plus button located on the right bottom side of the screen to add a new vendor. Add all the information about the vendor, name, slogan, about, address, etc. Make sure to activate the vendor before saving the request by switching the Active button. Activating this function means making it ready and live for CRM use. On this tab, you can view all the uploaded documents for your vendor. Upload files and documents to your vendor's profile by clicking Choose File. Once finalized, click the Save button.